Hi guys, welcome back to PSR Tech Solution channel. Today I will tell you simple formula how to combine first name last name. So now you can see the data. I have three columns: first name, last name, and full name. Suppose if you will add the full name, if you will type manually, so it will take lots of time to do the manual task. So best you can use the formula to save your time. Let's start. So here you can start the formula equal and you click on the your column, first column, and ampersand, and add one space and ampersand, and enter. So now you can see the formula. So this is A2 and B2, just adding with the one space. Now automatically it came first name last name with combinations. So now you can drag it. So now you can use many rows which will come automatically using this formula. So here A to B2 it may be different. So you can check as per your Excel data. So here you can see started from the 2. So it's came A2 and here B2. Thank you watching for this video. If this video will help you, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys on next video.